Hello guys. Now, oh yeah, there's gonna be a cool video coming up that nobody's gonna care about. It's a Netflix video. But I have not made a video on this on a while. I was originally gonna make a video on these little guys, but yeah, it's just children. So I had a different idea. What if we made the miniguns of Phantom Forces? You may think, who the fuck's gonna do that? And that's me, because I'm not that smart. We'll start off with our first minigun that I would actually call. It's the Hammer IAR. Screw all these. Use any. You could probably use maroon stock. Yeah, that makes sense, clearly. For the more minigun look, I guess. Even though I think stock would be better, but it's a minigun. Who the fuck would care about recoil? And that's me. Grips. I think you might. I mean, this is a necessity. And then the barrels. Muzzle booster, because this thing can increase RPM, which is why I think it's a good minigun. And the AMT. Why the AMT? I don't know. It does pretty good damage. Now, here's the smaller minigun. You may think, how in the hell is this a minigun? Well, it's simple. M855 increases its RPM, well, max RPM. The lasers don't really matter. Chainsaw, muzzle booster, and then AMT. Well, you don't have to put on AMT, but I just like it, AMT. So, this is a pretty small minigun because it has like a 30-round magazine. But the upsides is that it makes you feel more like Mr. Sonic. This thing does a lot of damage. Wait, let's set this on single. Similar damages. Wait, how much damage does it do to the head? You know, F it. I'm just gonna, do it on the dummies. 50. God damn! Wait, hold up. So, this thing does 50 damage and 40. This thing $30. Okay, apparently the smaller minigun can do better. But there's another one. At least I don't even know if I can consider it a minigun. But that's the AK-103. You may think, how the fuck is this a minigun at all? Well, just you see, my friend. Practically anything can become a minigun if it has a fast enough RPM, I just realized. And then optic of choice, AMT. Oh wait, yeah, why am I using muzzle boost? I have to be using bars. And then this is the minigun. I have a feeling my clicking is faster than the RPM, but yeah, that's cap though. God damn, I need to set this on single. 45. So 45 for an RPM of 8, a solid RPM for 850. Alright, what about to the chest? 32. So this thing, the assault rifle category definitely has some good miniguns, but let's try the PDW, which I did not research about yet. Actually, that can be another video of its own. Actually, it's not even big enough for me to even consider it a minigun, so bye, guys.